Back in 1986, I wanted to get into some type of the fire safety business. So I got an income tax check of $400. We bought some adapters and started filling fire extinguishers. Then we started getting requests for fire hose and so forth. And then we just started getting into the equipment side of it. And about 12 years ago, we started building refurbing used trucks. And then as the market got a little better, we started manufacturing about 10 years ago. When we got serious about it, I had an idea on a used Chevrolet chassis, and I put a used pump on it, and we built the body. I went to a local person that had a welding truck, and we just put one together to try it, and it was received pretty well. And then we started building, and we've came a long way from where we used to be, but the concept's still the same, but the quality and the way we do the manufacturing has changed drastically. We'll build anything from a brush truck to a custom Class A pumper. We build tankers, anything from 1,000 gallon on up to 4,000 gallon tanks, rescue trucks, pretty much whatever the call is for. We can custom manufacture pretty much anything. It's a little different from a volunteer standpoint versus a paid department and so forth. My dad and my grandpa, they were involved with the volunteer fire department. I was a firefighter, and we bring a little bit of knowledge from the user end of the fire service, and we incorporate that into our manufacturing. We cater to the smaller departments, more so than the large ones. We try to have a personal relationship with each department. If they buy a truck here, it's sort of like a family. We know who they are when they call in. It's not like some of the bigger companies. We're sort of small enough to know the departments. When they call in, we know who they are and remember what truck we've sold them and so forth. We start with flat material, 3/16 aluminum, and we start with tube frame, and we'll go ahead and start fabricating the frame and the body. Go from there to the paint shop. We do have our own graphics department. We can do the lettering and the wraps on the vehicles, and we're updating that as we speak. And we'll do all the electrical work to the body, undercoating. Then it will go to the finish stage where we put all the dress-up aluminum. We'll put the tank in the body, do the plumbing, and pretty much it'll go on to finish. Then we will go to the pumpers will be UL tested. We have a private company come in that do the UL testing on the pump and electrical. Then they go to clean up, then it's ready for delivery. We've got trucks all over the country. We've exported a tanker to Peru. Big Sur, California, they have our trucks. Port Boulevard in Texas that got hit by the hurricane, they had some of our trucks. Well, we got them 42 states, I believe, we have trucks. Yeah, we've got them all over. We're in a small place, but we do quality work. We have good people. Most of our people have been with us for years. Me and my wife started the business, and now I have my son and my daughter that work here. And my dad, he's here every day. My son, hopefully in the future, he'll take over the business. The name Wynn Fire Equipment will be out there for years.